Hello everyone, my name is Deepak Shaukin and I am from Team Cabio. This year in 2025, the Smart India Hackathon is happening and my problem statement is SIH 25167. So I am making an AI and IoT powered intelligence system for real-time elephant movement detection and preventing human-elephant conflict in Chhattisgarh state.
We humans and nature, we have shared a history that goes back for centuries. Sometimes nature affects us, but sometimes we affect them. For decades now, in Chhattisgarh and many other states, a very real conflict has been growing, the human elephant conflict known as HEC. As our population grows and our land becomes shorter and shorter, forests get smaller and smaller. And Chhattisgarh has different seasons that affect the landscape. Because of this, in search of food or for other reasons, hundreds of elephants across the state might enter human areas, whether they are villages or cities. This leads to conflicts and injuries and even deaths. Over 2 decades, more than 700 people have died and thousands more have been injured. Elephants are dying too, often from electrocution from high voltage electric fences meant to keep them out. This isn't just about safety, it's also about a huge economic impact. Elephants destroy houses, infrastructure, and crops, which leads to financial ruin for families. All of this creates a lot of stress and fear for everyone involved. We believe we have to solve this. Our project is an AI and IoT powered intelligence system for real time elephant movement detection and prevention of HEC in Chhattisgarh. Here's how it works. First, we use IoT based monitoring. We will install thermal cameras, acoustic sensors, and vibration sensors to detect elephants. Next, our AI and machine learning will kick in. The system will be able to tell the difference between an elephant, a human, or other animals right on the device itself. This is important because in the forest there's often no internet. We use edge computing powered by solar panels to solve this problem. Then we send real-time alerts. If the elephant are near the forest, we will just send the data to officials for tracking and analysis. If they are near railway tracks, we will alert the railway and forest departments. But most important, if they are near a village or a city, we will send immediate alerts to everyone who needs to know: the police, forest officials, village heads, and local people. And this is where our smart prevention comes in. We will use drones for non-lethal repelling. The drones will buzz, flash lights, and use sounds or even something like special chili smoke to safely guide the elephants back to the forest. This is an innovative and eco-friendly way to keep everyone safe without causing harm. Our project has some unique innovations that make it so great. We are using an integrated multi-sensor AI system, a combination of edge and cloud computing, and non-lethal smart repelling. Our focus on sustainability and low-cost hardware makes it a practical solution. The project can be scaled to other states, works offline, and is affordable for everyone. The impact of this project is huge. We will save human and elephant lives. We will protect farmers and families, reduce fear in villages, and build trust between the government and the communities. It has economic benefits too. It prevents crop destruction and reduces government compensation cost. Finally, it's great for the environment because it protects elephants and their habitats. This project is a step towards a better future for both humans and nature. That's why it is very important. Thank you. If you have any questions or any suggestions, you can write in the comment box. Goodbye from Team Cabio.